Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be learning a short tap combination. So, let's begin. Before watching this video, if you haven't already, make sure to check out the playlist Beginner Tap Steps that is up on the channel. I will leave this playlist linked below as I run through the steps we will be performing in this video in more detail. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, with the right leg we are going to be performing a paradiddle. From here we are going to perform the cross shuffles with the left leg, followed by the 4-beat cramp roll. Next we have 2 flap heels, one on the left and one on the right, then 3 walking flaps on the spot, left, right, left, finished with a heel on the left leg. Perfect! Let's put these steps together again from the very beginning. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to be starting with our right leg first, performing the paradiddle. Perfect! Let's move on to the next section. So starting with the right leg, we have a shuffle in the front, shuffle to the side, shuffle at the back, shuffle to the side, finished off with a toe heel back in parallel. We then perform these same steps with the left leg, starting with the shuffle at the front. Perfect! Let's place all these steps together, starting with the right leg with the shuffles at the front. Perfect! Let's go from the very beginning of the tap combination, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, starting with the right leg first, performing the paradiddle. Perfect! Let's place this short tap combination with some music. Perfect. So there you have it, a beginner tap combination.